In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share listing on Zillow via email on desktop. If you're helping someone explore homes or just want to pass along a property you found, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to share a listing directly from your computer. Start by opening your preferred desktop browser and heading to Zillow.com. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar to look up the property you want to share. You can type an exact address, a city, or a neighborhood. When you see the correct property in the results, click it to open the full details page. This page is important because it includes everything the recipient might want to see, like photos, price, beds and baths, and the map location. On the listing page, look for the Share option. Depending on your browser and screen size, this might appear as a button labeled Share or as a share icon. If you see it, click that. A small menu will pop up with choices such as Copy Link or icons for email, message, and various social media apps. If email appears, choose it. Your computer will open a new email message in your default email application, already populated with a link to the listing. This might be your desktop mail app or a web-based composer if that's how your system is set up. From here, add the recipient, a subject line, and a short note so your message has helpful context. If you want to highlight specific photos or details, mention them in the body of your email along with the link, something like, "Take a look at photo 3 for the kitchen," or "Scroll to the description for the recent upgrades." If the email option isn't available or doesn't open, choose Copy Link instead. Then paste that link into your email manually. The result is the same. Your recipient gets a direct, clickable path to the listing's full details on Zillow. Before you send, double-check the address and your message, and then you're good to go. You can also share the same link through messaging apps if that's more convenient. Paste the link into WhatsApp, Messenger, or even an SMS thread, and it will work just like it does in email. One click takes them to the property. That's all it takes to share a listing from Zillow via email on desktop. Open the listing, click Share, pick Email if available, or copy and paste the link and send it with a clear note.